Hey everyone, welcome to Homeschool. Hope everybody are doing good. Today I have come up with all the information about the content that is available in Homeschool channel and also the courses available for class 12 students and class 11 students. Coming to class 11. Okay, if you are a student who has completed class 10, if you are trying to improve your basics, especially fundamentals in chemistry, then you have a beautiful bridge course in our Homeschool application. Okay, so you have bridge course for class 11. Okay, so in Homeschool application, so bridge course is available in Homeschool app. Okay, fine. And coming to the syllabus relating to class 11 chemistry, you know, almost all important chapters are covered in Homeschool channel. All the videos are available for free of cost in Homeschool channel itself. Okay, so basic concepts of chemistry is covered and almost all chemistry chapters, all major important mark oriented and the most important for competitive exams, you know, those chapters are fully covered in Homeschool channel. All of them are available for free. Okay, so this is something available in Homeschool channel as well as in Homeschool app. Okay, so you also have individual chapters for class 11. You have a course on thermodynamics, you have a course on equilibrium also. Okay, but they are available in Homeschool app. Okay, fine. And coming to class 12, and I am concentrating only on chemistry syllabus, okay, not on physics and biology. We may come up in the future. Okay, so as of chemistry is concerned, very few chapters are available in Homeschool channel. Only alkyl halides, aryl halide chapter is available. But you have the most wonderful courses in Homeschool application. Okay, so you have organic chemistry course. Organic chemistry course is there. And then physical and inorganic chemistry course is also available in Homeschool application. Okay, so I'll tell you the importance of these courses, guys. See, all the concepts were explained in a detailed way, okay, in the form of recorded videos. Okay, so you will get recorded videos. So the moment you purchase the course, all the recorded videos are available of all the chapters. Okay, in physical inorganic, few chapters are pending. Because this course is recently launched, you will find all physical chemistry chapters relating to rationalized syllabus. Remaining inorganic chapters and all, I will update within a month. Okay, so by this month end, I mean by 30th of April, D and F block elements will be completely uploaded. So in the next month, I will upload coordination chemistry and P block elements. Okay, so remaining solid state, surface chemistry, everything we will include slowly. Okay, so organic chemistry, all chapters are already available, all recorded videos are available, and major thing is I have provided handwritten notes. Okay, so handwritten notes is available. All the important points I wrote it in the form of notes. Okay, and along with that, lots of questions. Okay, questions are available and the solutions and tricks are also available for the questions. Okay, and you know what, this is a self-study course. I mean the people who are staying at home and preparing for the competitive exam, or if you can understand in your schools and colleges, you know, you want to study on your own, you want the assistance of some teacher. Okay, so then you can opt for this course, and this is the best of the best, I can say, with reasonable price, guys. I didn't keep too much of price like any other institutions. Okay, so with affordable price, I have designed this course, and don't think that ma'am has not covered everything. No, I have covered pin to pin of NCERT, guys. Okay, with less price, the huge content, all the content, okay, along with NCERT questions also I have solved. Okay, after every topic is over, related NCERT questions also I have solved. and already I am getting lots of positive feedback on the course. Okay, so I just wanted to remind you of the course. So please download homeschool application for that. So when you download homeschool application, go to the options like courses. So in this option you can see the available courses. So just check it out, these courses guys. They are really wonderful, and already many students are getting 100% benefit out of it. Okay, so if you are the one who want to study at home with classroom feeling, okay, so if you can listen to these videos, you will get that classroom feeling only. Okay, so at home comfortably in your own space with the classroom feeling, you can prepare all chemistry concepts 100% guys. As you all know, chemistry is a bridge for NEET examination and JEE examination, right? See, chemistry, if you can concentrate, your overall score can be improved. Not only that, the course is helpful for your CBSE board examinations and all other state level board examinations if you are following NCERT syllabus. And don't think that ma'am is telling so much to promote her course. No, it's not like too much of promotion guys. I want to help maximum students with the least affordable prices 100%. Okay, so I want to reach my content larger spaces where maximum of them must get benefit out of it. Okay, so that is the reason. So I am explaining about all these courses once again. Okay, so don't forget, if you are a class 12 student, then don't miss out this course. Honestly, I am telling you. And not only that, this course is also helpful for the new teachers. I mean, if you have just started the career and you don't know what to teach, what not to teach, and which concept to teach, how, everything you will get an idea if you can take up this course. Okay, so few examples I'll tell you how I thought the concept in a course. See, coming to inorganic chemistry, you have this chapter D and F block elements, right? So here, remembering you know the D block elements, so you have 4 transition series, right? 3D series elements are there, 4D series elements are there, 5D series and 6D series, and you also have F block elements where you need to remember the element, atomic number, name, electronic configuration and everything. This is completely a memory based concept. On this also MCQ question can be framed for the competitive exam. Okay, suppose you know you have 3D series elements. You know, a few students are very much sharp, they remember the sequence very nicely, okay, on little bit of practice. But many students, average to slow learners, they cannot remember the sequence that easily. So I have helped in the form of a sentence to remember the elements easily. Okay, see, I framed a sentence for 3D series elements. Look over here. See, the very courageous man fearing crocodiles, okay, crocodiles near cute zebras. Okay, see, look at here. C, S stands for scandium, okay, T stands for titanium, V stands for vanadium, and here courage, after ka, ra sound is there, R sound is there, right? Courage, that means chromium. Okay, courageous man, okay, M stands for manganese, fearing, F stands for Fe. Okay, crocodile, after C, O sound is there, crocodile. Okay, so cobalt, near, nickel, N for nickel. Okay, so cute, Cu, that means copper, zebra, that means Zn. Okay, so you see here, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. And also their electronic configuration is also very important. That also I taught you in a very simple way where you cannot forget only. Okay, so and now coming to the 4D series. Okay, so 4D series, look over here, continuation of this sentence only. So it's not like you don't have relationship between this sentence and the next sentence. So you have some sort of relationship so that you can easily remember the sentences. Okay, see here in this first sentence I have ended with Z, right? So here I will start with Z now. Look over here. Yes, zebras never move. Yes, zebras never move. Technically they run on roads. Purely sweet and cute. Look over here. See, near cute zebras. Say with zebra only I have start this sentence. It's like you have connection between this sentence and this sentence, right? See, S, zebras never move. S, Y means yttrium. Okay, zebra, that means zirconium. Here zirconium, there Z means zinc. Okay, so never, niobium. Okay, move, that is molybdenum. MO means molybdenum. TC, technically, that means technetium. Okay, run in the sense ruthenium. Okay, run on row, H sound is coming, no, rhodium. Okay, this is ruthenium and this is rhodium. Okay, and this is palladium. Okay, and this is silver and this is C means cadmium. So look over here, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. See, look over here. See how easily you can remember the sentences. Sentences also do not have too many difficult words. Okay, with a simple English language I framed these sentences. Likewise, you have a sentence for 5D series also. You have a sentence for F block elements to remember. Okay, so remembering their sequence and their electronic configuration is very, very important, guys. Okay, and electronic configuration of 3D series elements will go in one sequence, and the same type of electronic configuration you don't have for 4D. That also to remember easily I am sharing my tricks and tips. Okay, so this is how you will find the course most helpful. And coming to physical chemistry, most of them are scared of solving numericals, no? So easily, conceptually, by applying concept, how easily you can solve the numerical. Okay, without remembering so many formulas, you know how you can solve the problems easily. All of them you will get it in physical chemistry chapters. Okay, coming to solution chapter, many of them get confused to remember examples for positive deviation from Raoult's law, negative deviation from Raoult's law, azeotropes example especially, maximum boiling azeotropes, minimum boiling azeotropes. You know, even to remember examples I have framed out certain tips. Okay, so that you will not forget. Okay, you can remember them for a longer time. You know, all these things. And coming to organic. Okay, so how to write the product easily, right? So to write a product in organic chemistry, concept clarity is very, very important, guys. So all those concept clarities I have given by solving lots of questions and examples. Okay, so you will witness the worth of content after you take up the course. Many students have already got benefit, so I wanted to reach the content to as many students as possible so that you get that 100% benefit out of it. Okay, and have a good score, have a good bridge to score a mark in your NEET examination or in any competitive examination maybe. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you. And for class 10 students, every chapter in a detailed way covered in a homeschool channel, and the content is available completely for free. Okay, so these are the different things that I wanted to share with you for class 11 and class 12 students. Okay, so don't forget to download homeschool application. All these courses are available in homeschool application. Okay, and finally many students will ask me, ma'am, what about class 12 students in YouTube channel? It's not that I will not do videos in YouTube. I will be doing videos in YouTube also on class 12 syllabus, but I will start from June onwards, and I may not cover the concepts in such detailed way, okay, with lots of questions, with lots of tricks and tips, you know. Only some important aspects of the chapters I can cover and help you out, okay, but I do recommend you to go for the courses, guys, okay, because these videos and all you can watch any number of time in your comfortable space, working with lots of questions and everything, okay. So most detailed explanation you will get in a course, okay. So that is all about the news that I wanted to share with you, and keep learning and all the best for your future.